to make this recipe, I will be making a fine paste of 10 cashew and 3 tablespoons of curd. Now we'll start doing the marination. Here I have taken half kg of chicken. To this I am adding 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now I am adding curd and cashew puree. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt to taste, black pepper powder, one teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and finally lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we'll mix all this ingredient well. So you can see the chicken is marinated well with all the ingredients. We'll keep it aside for 2 hours. So our marination is done. I've heated this pan. Now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil to it. So oil is heated. Now I'll add chicken pieces one by one and we will let it cook for almost 10 to 15 minutes until it gets cooked on one side. You can add all the leftover gravy so that everything will get cooked well. So one side it's done. Now I'll turn it to cook on the other side. Keep mixing in between so that chicken will get cooked from all sides. So as you can see, chicken Afghani is done. It's cooked well. Now we'll do the plating. So our Afghani chicken is ready to serve. You can have this starter with mayonnaise or green chutney.